Good morning mga magayonon. So it's me again, Nanon. And I'm here in Canggu. I stayed here for 4 days. And today, I'm just gonna show you kung anong itsura nung tinutuluyan ko. It's a homestay. And it's only cheap, like 4,300 for 4 nights. But it doesn't include like, what do you call it, breakfast. Katulad dun sa Ubod. I'll show you the place and then we'll go to the room. So it's going to be a room tour. Or a resort tour? Okay. I'll show you the place first, yung Canggu. The street. So, ayan siya. Ayan. So, ito yung front ng tinutuluyan ko sa harap. So, ayan yung tinutuluyan ko. Krishna Homestay. So, it's Rama Village and Krishna Homestay. And then, sa tapat lang nito, pwede mga kainan. Look, ayan o. Pwede kang kumain dyan or whatever, mag-breakfast. And ito siya. Papasok tayo here. So, that's it. Ayan. Rama Village and Krishna Homestay. There. Pasok tayo dito sa Eskinita. May Eskinita dito. So, pasok tayo sa Eskinita. Ayan. So, if you're curious, if ever na pupunta kayo dito sa Canggu and naghahanap kayo ng matitirahan with your friends, kasi dito, meron dito mga malalaki na bedroom. Or, meron silang villa. I'll show you yung villa. Ako kasi good for 2 person lang yung nabook ko. Wala kasing wala akong for 1 person lang. So, anyway, 4,000 plus siya. For 4 nights, okay na yun, di ba? Dito sa Canggu. Ayan, so ito yung reception nila. And then, ito yung Krishna Homestay na papasok dito sa mga sa mga room? Or do you call it like, I don't know, how do you call these places? Like, yeah, well, room or apartments, I think. No, it's not an apartment. So, ayan siya. Dito siya. Look. So, ayan, ito yung itsura ng place. And then may pa free coffee sila. Free coffee and free tea. Oh, ayan, diba? And if you also want to, if nagtitipid talaga kayo, and if you want to cook, you can. Ayan o, kasi may kitchen sila. And ayan yung kitchen nila. And it's all complete. Ayan, tapos may kasama kang Miming. Diba, Miming? How are you, Miming? Look at that, Miming. Oh, you're so beautiful. Ayan, oo. Sabi niya, oo daw, maganda daw siya. So, ayan. So, kompletong utensils. And you also have like a fridge. Diba? So, ayan. So, ito yung room na nabook ko. And I'll show you the room. Pasensya na sa kalat. Ayan siya. Ayan. So, I think it's a queen size bed. Ayan. So, mag-impako na ako because I'm going to Seminyak today. So, meron pang cabinet siya. Ayan. So, if working at home ka rin katulad ko, ayun o. So, meron siyang side table na pwede kang mag-work. Very nice. And, ang ganda ng nila, nung tawag niyan? Nung toilet. Look, sobrang laki. Diba? Ayan. Ayan o. Ayan yung pa-toilet nila. Ayan. O, diba? Ayan. Ito yung toilet nila. Sobrang laki, diba? Shower room. Ayan. Perfect. It's really nice. Diba? Ayan. So, ito yung niya, yung room. And it's only for 4,000 plus. Diba? Ganda. Okay, now naman, we're gonna go to the pool area. Okay, give me a second. So, ayan. So, now naman, we're gonna go to the pool area. So, I'm gonna show you the pool area. Hello. Good morning. So, yung pool area na yun. Tapos, malapit yun sa mga villa. So, parang, I think it's a family room. And I think it's also expensive pag nag-stay ka doon. Ayun. So, but if you're just alone by yourself, dito ka dapat. Kasi cheap siya. Okay. And now, we're going now to the pool area. I'll show you. So, from the reception, this is the reception as I've said. Ayan siya. Punta ka lang dito for the, for the pool. Ang ganda dito. Oh, look. Oh, di ba? Ayun, so pag may mga kayo motor, you can park it here if you rented a, motorbike. So you can park it here. Ayan, so ito yung pool. Actually, walang naliligo dito. For 4 days, parang actually once lang ako din naligo. Ito yung villa na sinasabi ko. Ayan o. Mga ganyan. Let me see nga. I don't know if I'm allowed, but... okay. So this is it. Ito yung villa. Very nice. I can reach. Ayan. So, ito yung villa. Ayan. I can't. Aray ko, butik na ako malaglag. I cannot show you guys because fully booked sila. So, hindi sila pwedeng ma-open. Tapos, ayan o, sa harap lang. Ang ganda talaga dito. Look, di ba? Oh, may palayan siya. Ayan. So, ito yung mga villa. Laksamana Villa. So, pag kasama mo, family mo, I think you can book it here. Diba? Tapos, ayan o. Actually, ang dami ditong mga ano. Ang dami ditong patutuluyan. Pero, I think this is the cheapest na nahanap ko. You know, na malapit sa center ng Canggu. Actually, wala masyadong magagawa dito sa Canggu, honestly. So, this is the pool. May naliligo ngayon. Pero for the past 4 days, parang ako lang ata dito. Well, as I've said, once lang ako naligo dito. Pero this is the pool, look. At kagabi, ako lang dito mag-isa. Alam mo yun. Ganda, di ba? Ang ganda ng pool. Kaso ano siya? For 4,000, ayan o. So, kung may jowa ka, pwede kang mag-ano o. Ayan o, ang ganda. Di ba? Kasunbed. So, that's it, guys. Ayan o. Perfect. Diba? Ayun. Okay. Ayan. Tapos yun din yung shower room doon banda. Ayan. Very nice, right? And guys, it's just a mini vlog. At least, I'd show you kung ano itsura nung Krishna Homestay and yung Rama Village. So if you decided to come here sa Canggu and you're with your family or you're by yourself, then you can book it here. It's really nice, honestly. Maganda yung place niya. Eh, nakakatulog naman ako ng maayos dun sa bed. Ayun, so yeah. I'll see you because I'm going to Seminyak. I'll show you also the place dun sa Seminyak. Okay. Bye. Mwah, mwah.